Top's stock. Top ships shares surges 22% in a week. So, is Top stock a buy? Subscribe. Number 1. Let's have a quick look at the Top's stock performance. So as of yesterday, 15th July 2020, the stock price was doing fairly well, and it is about 11 cents. Last week it was also about 11 cents. Last month it was like 15 cents. So you would lose money if you invested in it 1 month ago. Half a year ago it was like 95 cents. 1 year ago was $10. From roughly $10 to 11 cents. And that's already it was like July 2019, where it was like $10 roughly, until January 2020, where it was like 85 cents. So during that time, there was no world crisis at all. Let's have a quick further look. The market capitalization is about 90 million US dollars. So small cap is defined as 300 million US dollars up to 3 billion as far as I remember. So this one is even smaller than small cap. I think it's called micro cap. So the stock price is like 11 cents. So it is a penny stock. Every stock that is below $1 is called a penny stock. And yeah, there's a reason for that. Number 2. Top's ship was founded in the year 2000 in Marousi, Greece. It has dozens of employees, less than 50 employees. Their service is transport petroleum and chemicals. I have recently launched online course Investing for Beginners. Check it out in the video description below after watching this video. Number 3. So let's have a quick look at their annual report real quick. So, as you can see, last year in 2019, they lost about 15 million US dollars. 2 years ago, in 2018, their loss was like 11 million US dollars. 3 years ago, in 2017, they lost about 13 million US dollars. So basically, they were losing money very often. Check out the investing playlist for more investing videos. I also would like to remind you of my recent launched online course Investing for Beginners. It is in the video description below. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming investing videos. See you next time.